Welcome to day 3. Let's go over our daily challenge to cultivate a flexible mind and to step out of our comfort zone. So day 3 is all about silence. This is our one-word intention. And now here's the really important challenge that I want to give you today. So today I want you to set 3 hours aside anytime during the day or evening. And I want you to spend those 3 hours completely free of technology. No phone, no TV, no iPad, no computer, no music player. Just let yourself be free of electronics and focus on cultivating this internal silence. Notice, and I speak for myself here when I talk about this, notice how much of a reflex it is to reach for your phone or to fill any silence with some kind of media. I know I'm really guilty of this. We have our phones on us all the time, or I know I do. I work at my computer, I'm watching TV, and at some point I almost don't even notice how infused my life is with technology. And I love technology, it's awesome, but it can be really good for our brains, for our mental health, and for our emotional health overall to have some boundaries around this. So can you find 3 hours out of your day where you're just not going to touch that stuff? You're going to see what else is out there. What is another way that you can spend your time? Maybe you'll be reading a book, taking a bath, drawing, going outside, or just sitting quietly and enjoying being mindful as you prepare food, eat your food, have a nice cup of tea, whatever it is. I'm not giving you guidelines on what you have to do during those 3 hours. I'm really just encouraging you to not have electronics during that time. If you're up for it, you can totally go longer than 3 hours, but I'm kind of just setting 3 hours as a minimum. Hopefully it'll go well for you. I don't know, it might be challenging, it might be easy. Let me know how this one goes for you and if you're excited about it. I like to do these little technology detoxes every once in a while, and you might find that this is something that you want to add to your day-to-day life. Maybe not always for 3 hours, but maybe just making sure you have a full hour before bed that's electronic and technology free. Totally up to you. Just set the time, set your timer, and see what else you can do to occupy your brain, to occupy your body, to stay present with yourself. Notice how much we are looking and craving distractions. And again, I'm really just talking about myself here. I'm the one who's craving distractions and entertainment and media. And it's really nice to be able to have some boundaries around that and to remind ourselves that we don't really need all of that stuff. There's a lot more that we can do as well. And sometimes just sitting in silence is really what our heart, our mind, and our bodies need most. So have fun with this day 3 Flexible Mind Challenge. Let me know how it goes, and we'll connect again tomorrow.